Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download data for NakedMarkets. So just waiting for the program to load. Okay, so it's open now. Just maximizing the screen. So we go into the menu, data center here, and then there's a lot of different symbols that you can select to download the data for. So there's these ones. And there's indices as well. So I mainly just trade the indices. So depending on which broker you select, there'll be different dates available that you can pull the prices from. So they've got the Nikkei, and that's 10 years of data. Different brokers have different prices, so you can actually see that there's one for forex.com there, and then on Nazi they've got 10 years of data, forex.com more data, data from Alpari. Yeah, so it's just a matter of sorting out which feed has the dates that you want to download. So here I'm checking out which dates. So I like to choose the ones that have more history. So see here there's 10 years, and then FXCM they've got 10 years as well available. So here they've got from 2013 to 2024. And here they've also got 11 years available. Yep, so here there's another 10 years. Yeah, so that's 10 years, just making sure that I've selected the ones that have the most years of data available. Because I'm actually recording, screen recording separately from recording this audio, because I don't think my microphone's working, and frankly I can't be bothered learning how to set up the microphone at the moment. It's got a lot of stuff to do. Yeah, so I'm just comparing the available histories available, which one's got the most number of years available. Okay, so that's 13 years for this one, NQ100. And then here there's that, the Russell, the FTSE. So the reason why that they've got all these different names is because the CFD brokers, they've got their own way of naming the symbols. So this program, it is mainly built for people who trade CFDs. I don't trade CFDs anymore, but it's still a really good way of building strategies and then testing out which ones have, which ones are worth trading, basically. Yep, so here I've chosen the ones that I want to update the data for, and when I click update, it'll update to the last available day that there's data for. So if I update on the, for example, on the 3rd of July, it'll download all the history up to the 3rd of July. So here, because I've just selected the one, it'll download just that one, but it can download more than one at the same time. You just have to tick the ones that you want. So you could tick, 3 or 4, and it'll download them all at the same time. So you don't have to click on, you don't have to click update one by one. Now, because I've loaded that chart up, that instrument, I can't actually clear it. So here I am checking the boxes for all the ones that I want to download. So I've selected like 7 or 8. And then I'll click update and it'll fetch all the data. So the reason why it's generating custom timeframes is because I've added different timeframes. I've got one that's 3 minutes, one that's 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. Custom timeframes usually available on the MT5, but I don't trade on MT5, but some people do. Yep, but that's all fetched. And then I've closed that and I'll close that. And this is the point where I stop the recording, I think. Thank you for watching.